everyone, my name is Mr. Chooks. You're welcome to Chooks Tutorial. Today we'll be solving a question on angle of elevation. You can see the question on the board. A surveyor walks 100 meters up a hill which slopes at an angle of 24 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate correct to the nearest meter the height through which he rises. These are the options. After we finish solving, we check for the correct answer. Now, a surveyor walks 100 meters up a hill. Let's say this is a hill. And then a surveyor from here, let's say this is a surveyor, walks 100 meters up this hill. So from here is 100 meters. From here to here is 100 meters. And then he makes an angle of 24 degrees to the horizontal. Now this is the horizontal line. So the angle, this surveyor makes an angle of 24 degrees to the horizontal. Now this, when the straight line meets with another straight line, it makes a perpendicular line which is 90 degrees. So we have to solve whenever you have the right angle. This is a right angle triangle. So whenever you have the right angle triangle, you have to solve using the trigonometric ratios. Now we have a formula we should always remember, which is SOHCAHTOA. Remember, this is the hill, and down the question says calculate correct to the nearest meter the height through which he rises. So this is the height because he rises from here. So this is the height that he attained, which we can call here x. So now we are dealing with, remember that wherever the angle is facing is called the opposite, and the longest side of the triangle, or wherever the right angle is facing, is called the hypotenuse. So now this longest side of the triangle is called the hypotenuse, and wherever the angle is facing is the opposite. So we are looking for the opposite here. So we have the opposite and the hypotenuse. So which of the trigonometric ratios here consist of opposite and hypotenuse? I think that's the sign. Opposite, this is for O is for opposite and H is for hypotenuse. So we are dealing with sine theta. We are using sine theta to solve. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now, the theta represents the angle. So we have sine, the angle here is 24 degrees. So sine 24 degrees is equal to the opposite. The opposite is the x all over the hypotenuse, which is the longest side here, which is 100. Now, we can cross multiply here. We cross multiply. So 1 times x will give you x. Let me write it, 1 times x, and then 100 times sine 24. 1 times x will give you x, and then sine 24 is 0.4067. Then when we multiply 100 times 0.4067, you have 40.67. So because they said calculate correct the nearest meter, we have to change it to the nearest meter. And nearest meter has to do with the whole number parts. So it becomes x equals to approximately 41, because this number after this 0 is up to 5. So you call it 1 and round it up and add to this 0, it becomes 41. So the final answer becomes 41 meter. Now if you look at the option here, you will see that 41 is here. So thank you for watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any other questions that are very challenging to you, you can send it to me and I will give you solutions to the question. Thank you very much.